Good morning and welcome. My name is Dib Sagod and I will be facilitating this mediation session today. The purpose of this session is to help both parties and resolve their contract dispute in a mutually agreeable manner. This process is confidential and voluntary. I encourage open and respectful communication. Before we begin, do both parties agree to participate in good faith? Let's begin with the opening statements. Each party will now present their perspective on the dispute. Alex, you may go first.
Thank you. We entered into a contract with Company D 6 months ago for delivery of raw materials. As per the contract, deliveries were supposed to be made every 2 weeks. However, for the past 2 months, delivery have been delayed, causing disruptions in our products. This has been resulted in financial losses and damage to our clients' relationships. We are seeking a relation to ensure future compliance and companionship for the damage incurred.
Thank you, Alex. Now, Jordan, please provide your statements.
I appreciate the opportunity to be here. We acknowledge the delays, but we are due to unforeseen supply chain disruption beyond our control. We did communication this issue. Company E and have been working on resolving them. We believe that a fair resolution is impossible without imposing financial burden that could impact both parties in the long term.
Certainly, due to delays, we missed deadline for multiple projects, leading to client dissatisfaction. We had to source materials from another suppliers at a higher cost. These extra expenses and reputational damage have been placed as strain on our company.
Jordan, how do you respond to these concerns?
We understand the frustration. We also suffered losses due to supply chain disruption. While we acknowledge our contractual obligation, we believe flexibility is needed. Given the industry-wide challenges, we propose adjusting the contract terms to allow for realistic delivery timelines.
So, the primary issues are the financial impact on a company due to delays. Company B, difficulties with supply chain disruptions, and the need of the realistic delivery framework. Does that sound correct? At this point, I will meet with each party privately to better understand their positions and explore possible solutions. Let's start with you, Alex. Jordan, please wait outside for a moment. Based on our discussions, it appears both sides recognize the issue and what a fair resolution. Let's explore possible solutions. Alex, what would be an acceptable outcome for you?
We need assurance that delivery will be made on time moving forward. Additionally, we request partial companionship for the additional cost we incurred.
What are your thoughts on this proposal?
We are open to ensuring timely deliveries as long as we can make reasonable adjustment for unforeseen disruption. As for compensation, we can discuss discount on future orders rather than
That's a constructive approach. Alex, would you a discount on future orders to be acceptable? Excellent. Let's summarize. Company B will commit to a revised delivery schedule with realistic deadlines. In case of unavoidable delays, Company B will provide timely updates. Additionally, Company B will offer a 10% discount on the next 3 orders as compensation. Does this sounds agreeable? I appreciate your cooperation. We will draft a written agreement outlining these terms for both parties to sign. This agreement will be binding and serve as reference for your future business. Thank you for your professionalism and willingness to work towards Areso. Please sign this.